everyone, this is a quick video, sort of a beginner's tutorial for how to create your own palette from a photograph that you've taken. So let's go ahead and get to it. So we're going to go ahead and go over to our palettes here, and then we're going to go to the actual palette of the tools here inside of our color picker. We have the disc, we have the classic view, harmony view, value, and then we have the palettes, and that's where we want to go to create a new palette. And before I create a new palette, I just want to show you can also play with there's a compact view, which is like this, and then there's also the card view, and inside the cards you can actually change the names of the colors. So like if you have a business color and it has a specific name, you can give it a name by just typing in the name right there. But we're just going to go ahead and continue looking at the compact view here, and we're going to go ahead and create a new palette by tapping this little plus sign right there, and create new palette from from photos. Actually, I would get a little confused here. Okay, yeah, so there's all these different options, but we want to do it from a photo that we took. So okay, and it'll put it at the very top for us right here. Ooh, I love those colors. And then we can give it a new name by tapping it, and I'm just going to say let's type in fall 2022, so I remember where that came from. And now if I go to let's go ahead and if I go to my disc, it has been chosen as a default palette. There were some great colors that came out of that photograph, and if you like these colors, you can pick up this particular palette for free over at my site. I've left a link in the description below, and this is the video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy next. Thanks very much, and I hope your day's amazing.